So do you have to call the police after a minor car accident? Short answer is it's probably smart to do that, but it's not legally required. I have seen too many situations where you think the crash, it's pretty obvious who's at fault. The parties exchange information, try to handle it on their own without the police. And then lo and behold, a few days later, once we're dealing with insurance company, the other side's changed their story, changed their version of the facts, and is now trying to blame our client for the crash. So I always think it's a smart idea to call law enforcement, call the police after any car accident, no matter how minor or serious, because part of what the police do when they arrive at the scene, not only do they document each side's personal and insurance information in what's known as a driver exchange sheet, but they also give an opinion as to who's at fault for the crash. And those oftentimes, they may make a judgment call in a minor motor vehicle collision not to issue any citations if they don't think there's a lot of damage or if they don't think there's any injuries. That's a judgment call for the police. That's another conversation. But it's always helpful to get an actual police report because that identifies, usually in the Vehicle 1 section, who that officer thought was at fault or found to be at fault. And then the other vehicles, oftentimes the police reports have diagrams of how the crash happened. They record in the narrative section of the police report any statements or, importantly, any admissions that one driver or the other told the police. So it's very helpful for your case if you do call law enforcement. It's not crucial if you don't want to wait around for police, if you don't have the time, or if it's dangerous, or if there's some other reason you don't want to. Then you need to immediately call the insurance companies, both their insurance company and your insurance company, from the scene of the crash, and make sure that the insurance companies take recorded statements from the other driver where the other driver admits fault to the insurance company. Make sure your insurance company gets that statement too. So if the other driver's willing to give a recorded statement to your insurance company admitting fault for the crash and is willing to do the same thing with his or her own insurance company, then that can suffice. But again, I think it's always preferred, in my experience, to, yes, call law enforcement. Hope that answers your question. If I didn't, feel free to call us at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO or also chat with us live on our website at trialpro.com.